Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So I received a comment saying, bro, can you make a video on how to trade inside days? I said, sure thing, I'll make a video for you tomorrow. And today is tomorrow and this video is this video. So let's get into it. So basically, an inside day is a signal for us to trade the next day. So it's a signal that tells us there's a big move coming the following day after the inside day. So as you can see in this example, we have a high and we have a low. Tuesday, this is Monday, Tuesday traded within the high and the low, but it didn't break any of these levels, which tells me that the next day, not necessarily the next day, it could be it could be 2 days after, but generally the next day, if the setup presents itself, there's going to be a large move on that day, because the inside day is just a signal day. So inside day is a signal day. So it's not a day where you trade, it's just a marker for the next day that tells you there's going to be a big move. And what happened the next day? As you can see, this is oil, by the way. In London, the market came down, set the low, it took out these lows from Monday and Tuesday and started trading to the upside. Now, as you can see in the US market window, in this yellow session box, the market came up, it bounced on the yesterday's close and gave us a pin hammer, indicating that this market wants to go up and take out the high of the week and also the high of Tuesday. Very easy trade, very easy to see, and it's a very high probability trade. So let me show you another example. As you can see, this is gold and this is Monday. Monday traded within the high and the low of Friday. So this is Friday, this is Monday, and it didn't break any of these levels. So that tells us that the next day there's going to be a big move and a possible trading opportunity. But as you can see, on this day, we didn't have any trade signals. There was no setups for us to trade. So, but as you can see, this day here also told us it's a first green day. So when we have an inside day, and then the next day there's no trade signals, but we also get a first green day, that tells me that the following day there could be a trade. And what do you know? There is a trade. So if it's a first green day signal, we're anticipating the market to go up from the low of the day. And as you can see, this is the low of the day right here. And as you can see, within the third hour, that's a third hour candle, the market moved strongly to the upside, taking out this high, and that was around, you could have caught over 150 pips on this one. Another example is on oil again. So what do we have? We have Tuesday's high and Tuesday's low. Wednesday came and gave us an inside day because this wasn't broken and this wasn't broken. Both levels were still intact and no daily levels were broken, so that's an inside day. But the next day, so this is an inside day. The next day we're looking for a trade signal because we're anticipating a big move. But there was no trade signal given, as we had a double inside day. So this day didn't break any daily levels. So the next day, we're anticipating a big move because we had 2 inside days. And the big move happened in the New York session. Always remember timing, levels, and behavior of price. So the timing is the New York session. The levels is we are at the high of the day, and behavior of price. How is price behaving? As we can see, this is the 3rd hour. Coming into the 4th hour, we have an engulfing candle to the downside, and you could have shorted the market just on this break of this candle. Stops just above the high, targeting the low of the week. Beautiful, beautiful trades. So just remember, inside days are just signal days for the next day, and you only trade if you get a trade signal. If you're at the high of the day, or if you're at the closing price of the day, or how is price behaving in a particular timing session. So you're going to put everything together for you to get a nice trade. Hopefully this made sense. If you want more clarification, please comment down below, and please like and subscribe.